Here is a rare opportunity to own a beautifully updated home on 2.5 acres with 151 feet of frontage on Long Lake, southwest of Battle Lake in Otter Tail County, Minnesota. From the moment you enter the paved driveway, you'll appreciate the presence and privacy of this rural lakeside oasis. Step through the front door where you'll find a wide open floor plan, including a kitchen with center island, dining area, and living room. You won't find a home with more natural light, and you'll appreciate a beautiful view of the lake from nearly any window you look out. The main level includes 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and move upstairs where you'll love waking up to the morning sunrise in the large master loft with a ton of closet space and private bathroom with tub and shower. Entertaining guests is a breeze on both the main level and in the oversized lower level family room, which include a bar area where you'll enjoy views of the lake. Step out the sliding glass door of this walkout basement and you'll find ample space to enjoy outdoor activities. Start your day with a cup of coffee on either the large upper deck that encircles the home or the lower lakeside deck. You'll love spending evenings near the lake around the bonfire as you make memories and listen to the loons calling. Other highlights of this property include an attached 2-stall garage, a second rear garage or shop space that's heated, new HVAC and septic systems, and so many more updates, too numerous to name. Even though this property has a rural feel, there are many wonderful amenities and restaurants within 10 to 15 minutes of this property in the city of Battle Lake. You'll find Stalker Lake Golf Course and restaurant just a mile away where you can enjoy a round of golf, a meal, and stick around for trivia or bingo. One of Otter Tail County's truly hidden gems, Long Lake is 398 acres and features 6.2 miles of shoreline. With a depth of 88 feet, you'll appreciate both great fishing and water quality. If you're searching for a year-round home in a great location with a ton of updates, you'll want to take a look at this property on Long Lake in Otter Tail County, Minnesota. I'm Andrew with the Andrew Yagi Real Estate Team of eXp Realty. Give us a call today to set up your private tour.